Hi everyone, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And today I want to show you one of the bundles in the Spring Summer Mini Catalog. It's called the Timeless Tulips. Let me bring you up so you can see both of these. This is the Timeless Tulips. It's a stamp set. It's got May the memories of yesterday comfort you today. What a beautiful difference one single life makes. Happy Easter, happy spring, happy everything. Hello, happy birthday, get well soon. Happy Mother's Day. So you can use this for just about any occasion. It has 3 tulips, it has 2 stems, and it has 3 leaves. And it goes with, the bundle is with this, okay, see if we can see this punch, there, this punch. It's got the tulip and the big leaf on it. So I just want to show you how it punches out. So I've got this piece, and I already made a template for this. So I'm just going to ink up my large tulip. Okay, and I am going to stamp that in the template, and then I am going to ink up the large leaf. Look at that. And stamp that. Now you can do these separately if you wish. I should have stamped them the other way. So I'm just going to cut this. Hopefully that's enough. Stick that in there. Not enough. Mary, you should have done this before. That's why I'll probably just do them separately. But line them up. And there you go. Now all you'll have to do is just stamp one of the stems or the other stem and your saying on it, and you've got a nice, quick, easy card. So for Mary's Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and the Timeless Tulips, let's see here, the Timeless Tulips, I know that's just not, I can't get that to show up really well. There we go. The Timeless Tulip Bundle.